So when I'm adjusting fan speed, the first thing I do is look in the grain tank and try to just relax and analyze what I see. Normally I'll see some leaves, I'll see some of the red chaff. That's telling me I don't quite have enough fan speed because those objects are smaller than a kernel of corn. And so simply speed up the fan until they're gone. Also, I'll take a little bit of look at the grain loss monitor and see if it looks like I'm blowing corn out over the sieve. But on the red, the green combines, both of them, you know, 1,000's kind of on the low side, 1,200's a little bit on the high side, depending on moisture.